how to do virtual background in the Zoom meetings, right? Oh yeah, before that, I forgot to introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Prajeth. So today's video is about how to put a virtual background in Google Meet. So everybody knows how to do this in Zoom, right? Put cool backgrounds behind. So in yesterday's video, I told you the next video is gonna be about Chrome Dino hacks. But I say I don't think I should do it now. I thought I should do another video before that. So Zoom backgrounds, you can do it. Cool backgrounds, like you can put anything behind you. How to do it for Google Meet? So now I'm gonna just create a meeting. If you look at the link and join, you will not be able to join because I would end this meeting. So in this meeting, you can see it's just the normal meeting you always see. So now I'm gonna go to the Chrome Web Store. As usual, most of my videos are in the Chrome Web Store. So in here you put Meet Visual Effects. I have tried this a bunch of times before. It works all the times, and almost every day they add updates. So you have a you have to leave. Uh, it's checking. Okay, it's been added. So now I'm gonna put rejoin. It's loading, and you see this tab right now, background blur. So if you don't want people in this meeting to see who's behind you or something, you can put this background blur, or even blur. It blurs the whole screen, or bubbles. Quite nice bubbles. I forgot to off it. Sorry about the WhatsApp notification sounds. Okay, contrast. It never works for me. Cube. So I'm gonna pause for a while here to let you see the movement. So that's how it moves. Then now this is a new effect where you wear the 3D glasses, you'll see me in 3D. So it's quite nice. Flip, flips you, freeze. You can do this a lot in your tuitions. I tried it once, but yeah, it's weird. Inverse, insane. This is quite weird, but I don't know why it is there. Rainbow. This is actually a new one. That day I didn't see this. See, blue, green, purple changes. Pixelate. Not that nice unless you want to be a Minecraft. Soft focus. Don't know why this even exists. And for example, I'm just gonna put YT. See, you see it's inverse here, but when you see it, like when the person who's in this people in this meeting see it, they will see it in the correct way. Now I'm gonna put virtual background. So you just take something. I'm just gonna take this. It's one of my intros, new intros. You click on virtual. Default it's gonna be like this. See, it's weird. So I'm gonna put virtual. You can even put videos behind you. So let you see my intro. Not that clear because I don't know why. But it should be clear. It should be like here you see it in reverse, but when your when people in the meeting see it, they will see that it's correct. Yeah. So this doesn't, like for Zoom, this doesn't work in uh phone also, only laptop. Hope this video was useful for you all. Thank you. 26 subscribers, very helpful. See you guys soon. In the Chrome Dinosaur hacks tomorrow. 5 videos in series and another 2 videos also in that series. And I'm gonna end that series with those 7 videos. Okay, bye guys. See you soon.